Deleting large amounts of emails in Gmail can help you declutter your inbox and free up storage space. Start by logging into your Gmail account and entering the inbox or folder where the emails are stored. To delete emails in bulk, you can use Gmail's search function to find specific messages. For example, type keywords like older than or larger than, followed by a time period or size to filter out specific emails. Once you've located the emails you want to delete, click the small checkbox at the top left of the email list to select all the visible emails on the page. If you want to select even more emails, after checking the top checkbox, you'll see an option to select all emails that match the search criteria across all pages. After selecting the emails, click the trash can icon at the top to delete them. This will move the emails to the trash folder. If you want to permanently delete the emails, go to the trash folder and select Empty Trash Now. Keep in mind that once deleted from trash, the emails cannot be recovered. To manage storage better in the future, consider using labels or filters to organize your emails automatically.